check this out. So I'm going to show you guys what I got this for. You're going to laugh. But first of all, I'm going to show you. This is a clamp for cameras, pretty much a lot of things, projectors, light projectors, not heavy projectors. And this actually rotates anywhere, any degree you want. You could remove it from here and actually screw it on the actual sides, all right? There's a couple options too for the side, and that's because you could add lights, you could add maybe microphones, you could increase the size or decrease from here, all right? And the clamp, in order to open it, I'm gonna try to see if I could do it with one hand. You just twist this pretty much, and look at that, it just starts opening up, right? And that's what we're gonna use, because I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna step a little back here, and this is my actual computer, all right? And I don't have a camera, but I do have a little area here where I'm going to clamp it to it so I could have the camera come out, because I do need the camera. I constantly go online and I have to chat. People need to see me, so I need to get on there, all right? And of course, my cat's right here. She's always scratching the camera. She's not going to be able to reach up there. So that's why I'm going to actually set up. And I do have 3 monitors. That's another problem too. Now, I don't have enough space in the back. That's why I'm actually setting it up here. So I think that's going to be a perfect area. Just pointed it down to me and I can remote into it. So let's put it together, see how it works. All right, so I am going to strap this camera. I have this Osmo camera that I got, you know. It's a really good camera that I did. But because I can't, I'm going to remote into it and I could twist it exactly where I want to be to see. So this is the only reason I'm actually going to put this one in there. And I'm going to put it upside down. So let's go ahead and put this in here. Open it up. Put it somewhere in the back here. Now I'm going to twist this, open this part right here, and bring it down lower. And that's it. So it's going to be focusing on me. And there it is. Let's see if it works. Let's plug it in. So I got the camera set up there, you guys can see, and I'm able to actually control my camera from there, and you know, it's much better. Now I can see myself up there. So I don't have enough space, but I got the clamp, which is great for that stuff, right? And one thing I forgot to mention, they also include a phone adapter, and also for your GoPro if you still have one. But this is great. So if you guys are looking for a nice clamp for anything, even projectors, hope you guys enjoyed this video.